Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make exciting macarons. First, gather your essential ingredients: fine almond flour, powdered sugar, and aged egg whites. These form the delicate shells. For vibrant colors, use gel food coloring, as liquid colors can alter consistency. Remember, all ingredients should be at room temperature to ensure proper emulsification and a smooth batter. This foundational step is crucial for perfect macaron feet. Next, let's perfect the macaronage. Begin by sifting your almond flour and powdered sugar together at least twice. This removes any lumps, ensuring a smooth shell. Then, whip your egg whites to stiff peaks, slowly incorporating granulated sugar to create a stable meringue. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the meringue using a spatula, achieving a lava-like consistency that flows slowly off the spatula. This is key for piping. Now for piping and baking. Use a piping bag with a round tip to create uniform 1.5-inch circles on parchment paper. After piping, firmly tap the baking sheets on your counter to release any trapped air bubbles, preventing hollow shells. Let the piped shells rest for 30 to 60 minutes until a slight skin forms, which helps develop the feet. Bake them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, rotating halfway. Finally, let's talk about exciting fillings. The filling is where you can truly get creative. Consider rich chocolate ganache, creamy vanilla buttercream, or tangy fruit curds. Don't be afraid to experiment with unique flavor combinations, like pistachio and rose or salted caramel. Pipe your chosen filling onto one cooled shell, then gently top with another. Refrigerate your finished macarons for 24 hours to allow the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.